guys, and welcome back to another video. I am back. If you saw my last video, my plant is back. I will no doubt bump into it a lot of times. However, this is still the place in my house that has the best lighting, which is sad because this lighting is not fantastic right now. But back on topic. Oh yes, I'm showing you my bullet journal. I was like, why am I here? If you guys watched my birthday haul, I went over all the things I got for my birthday, and one of the things that I got, one of my favorite things, not that I can rate them because all of them were lovely, are these Arteza brush pens, and they're amazing. And the first thing I thought when I got them was like, oh my gosh, I have to start bullet journaling because I think they would be super cute. And not gonna lie, they were. I was not disappointed. I started off with this kind of mustard yellow color, and then it gradually kind of turned into a fall color scheme. That's gonna drive me crazy. Even though it's August and it's definitely not fall. So I'm gonna show you guys my bullet journal, and I really hope you enjoy it. Please comment below what your favorite page is, because I think some of them will be repeats next month, and I might ditch some of them. Some pages I definitely like more than others. But yeah, tell me what you think in the comments below. So this is the first page of my journal. Like I said, I started with this really pretty mustard color, and then I just got kind of carried away, and it definitely looks more fall than you'd think an August journal would look, but I really like the way that it turned out, so I just wanted to share that with you guys today. I ended up going with kind of a floral theme, so I really like it. I originally didn't have this frame on it, but I thought it made it look a little bit more neat, so I went back and put the frame on the title page. Next, I have my mood tracker. And so this month I decided to make 31 little petals falling down, since I did it with a floral theme. And then you can't really see this, so I'm gonna move that. I have my little happy down here, so you can see I go in and fill it every day with how I'm feeling that day. On the next page, I usually just leave this, I've never done this before, but I thought it'd be nice to leave this kind of empty so that I can put whatever ideas I have. Yesterday I wrote down my current YouTube subscriber count so that next month I can look at it and see how much I've grown. I really am enjoying doing YouTube, and I like making fun videos for you guys, so hopefully that number grows next month. Okay, and then the next page is just a cute little kind of doodle notes page. I made some little sticky notes and drew a pencil there, so I'd have a nice place to kind of jot down any random thoughts or tasks that I have to do. Possibly not on a particular day, because if it were for a specific day, you know, I would just put it in the actual bullet journal. And then I did a cute little quote on here because I like to have little fun quotes to look at, and I thought it'd be a fun add-on for the bullet journal. So it just says, "There's always a reason to smile, find it." And I really liked that. And I turned the little eye into a sunshine because I thought that it kind of went with the theme of the journal. Next, I have my groceries and expenses pages. For the grocery page, I thought it would be fun to make two little paper grocery bags and just do the title in kind of like a handwriting font up here, and then I just went back with pencil and lined them straight because I didn't want, even though the bag is like a little bit at an angle, I didn't really want it to be written at an angle, so I did those just kind of using some of the colors. Also, for anything that looks black, I actually used brown pen because I thought that the brown pen went better with the warm color scheme. And then over here, I have my income and expenses. I like that this was very structured. I think that'll be really fun. I actually had to track income and expenses for a finance class that I took in college, and I liked that it made me think a little bit more before I purchased something online, so I'm planning to use this month. I actually just got my first paycheck of the month today, so I'm gonna log that after this video. This is one of the first pages I did. I did the title page first, but I left all the middle stuff empty because I knew kind of what I wanted to do here. I just wanted like a really basic layout. As you guys know, I didn't really start this on the first, so my weekly layouts are like kind of a mess, and I misnumbered them, which you're about to see. I put the 5th as Monday, and it's actually the 6th, so it kind of like messed up all of my numbering. I just tried to do something simple for this. I wrote August 2018 up top. I kind of liked the watercolor look. I was trying to lean into that a little bit more. I always liked my agendas lined up this way with like the weekdays and then this Saturday and Sunday split down there. And then I did the same on the next one. I've got to make a couple more weekly spreads, but these are just some like nice simple ones. I alternated between like this peachy tone and the mustard. So yeah, I think it turned out really well. I don't have anything else. Behind it is just a page that I messed up on, so I have to fix that. This is all I have so far, but I plan to make like 2 more weekly layouts. Probably something simple like this. Next time I might get a little bit more creative, but like I said, I wasn't using a dotted journal, so it made a lot of the simple stuff a lot more difficult. That is all for August. Thank you guys for watching. I really hope you enjoyed watching my bullet journal. Comment below if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Subscribe if you want to see more of me, and like if you liked it. Okay, I hope you guys are having a great week. I usually only post once a week, but this is kind of a bonus video. So I will see you guys next week, and if I have time, maybe earlier. So maybe more bonus videos in the future. All right, I'll see you guys later.